Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to verify Cash App card for Apple Pay. So to get started with that, I'm going to walk you through two different methods you can use to, verify your Cash App card for Apple Pay. So the first thing you can do is to verify your Cash App card via your mobile phone. So to get started, open the Cash App and log into your account on your mobile phone. Then tap the Cash Card tap, then it looks like a credit card icon. So if you want to tap on it, just once you find something that looks like a credit card icon, just tap on it. That's your cash card tab. Then tap add to Apple Pay, then follow this on-screen instruction to link your cash card to your Apple wallet. Then you'll be redirected to your Apple Wallet app. Then tap the next and review the terms and conditions. Then tap the agree button once you are ready to agree to their terms and conditions. Then if prompted, verify your identifying using your Face ID, your Touch ID, or your passcode. Then if additional verification is required, follow the steps to confirm your card via the text or phone calls or by providing your ID. Then once approved, your cash card will appear in your Apple Wallet and is ready for countless or online payment via your Apple Pay. And that's it. If you find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.